What's up, beautiful people? It's your girl, Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am back to teach you another line dance. The name of this line dance is called Beauty and the Madness. Beauty in the Madness. It is a beginner's dance, but you know what I like about this dance? It's you're not doing a step like what you do on the right, you're not going to do on the left. So it really keeps your beginners on their toes and keep them thinking. So I want you to check it out. It is a 4-wall dance, and I'm going to give you the step-by-step instructions. So this is the instructional. If you want to dance to music, watch till the end and click on the video and we can dance together. Beauty in the Madness. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. Also, guys, last but not least, I want to thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience. We sold out in record time. I could not believe it. In less than 24 hours. Thank you guys for your support. And that's the NOLA Southern Experience, which is next year. Looking forward to having a wonderful time. So are you ready? Let's go. So let's start on this side of the room, looking in this direction, okay? So the dance is gonna start on the right. So your weight is gonna be on the left, and what you're gonna do is do a tap lift on the right, tap, lift, and shuffle forward. Right, left, right. Okay? Now we're gonna step forward on that left, and we're gonna pivot forward a half turn. Step pivot on the left, making a half turn with the shoulder coming forward. So step pivot, step on that left, and pivot, half turn. And then on that right, come back with a rock, recover. Back on your right, rock, recover. From here, we're gonna do an out and cross, out and cross. Out and cross, out and cross. Okay, so let's put that together. We do a tap lift on the right and shuffle up. 1, 2, up, 3, and 4. The last step is on the right. Step forward on the left. Left shoulder come forward. Step pivot. Then rock back on that right. Rock back, recover. Rock back, recover. And out and cross on the right. And out and cross on the left. Okay? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Step 5, tap 6, 7, 8. Out 1, cross 2, out 3, cross 4. All right, so the last step is on my left. We're still looking at this wall. We're going to step forward on that right and make a quarter turn. Okay, so we go 1, 2, we're going to rock up and recover. So we went out and cross, step, pivot, quarter turn, rock up, recover. Rock up on that right and recover. So we went right, left, right, left. And we're going to do a pony or hood walk back. Right, left, right, left. Okay? So we did a quarter turn to our left. 1, 2, which is right, left. Then we rock up and recover back. Right, left, and then we pony or hood walk. Right, left, left, left. Okay? The only thing we have to do here is get to our next walk. The dance move counterclockwise, all right? So let's put it together. We do a tap lift, shuffle up, step on that left, pivot half with the left shoulder coming forward, half turn, that's the left. Then we come back with a rock recover on the right, a out and cross on the right, a out and cross on the left. We step pivot, quarter turn to your left, rock up on your right, rock back, and we pony back. Right, left, left. Okay? Here we go. Stand on this side of the room. 5, 6, 7. Tap left. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Step 5, half 6, back 7, 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step pivot quarter. 5, 6. Rock up. 7, 8. Pony back. 1 and 2. Left. 3 and 4. Okay. From here, I'm gonna turn the wall. So this is the wall we're at. So just for the sake for you to see the footwork, I'm going to stand at this wall. So we went right, left, right, left. So I want you to rock back and make a half turn. Right, left. No triple step. I didn't do a triple step. All I did was step right, left. So I rocked back first. So I came back with my pony or a hood ball. Right, left. I rock back, recover, right, left, turn forward, right, left. Making a half turn. So that's how I'm going to get to my next wall. Okay, doing a half turn. But I'm going to come back first. Right, left to go forward, right, left, half turn. And to end the dance, I'm going to go right, left, left. Okay? All right. So let's put that together. 5, 6, 7. Tap lift. 1, 2. Shuffle 3 and 4. Step left, half, 7 and 8. Out and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Step pivot. 5, 6, up, 7, 8. Pony. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Half, 5, 6. Turn 7, 8. Go single, shuffle, double. Left, single, shuffle, double. Okay? Now, let's change our wall. So let's change our wall to this wall right here. Okay? So, because probably you got the first part after we practice, now you need to get the second part, okay? So we do a tap lift. 1, 2, shuffle off. 3 and 4. Step pivot half. 5, 6, rock back and recover. Out and cross. 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4. Step pivot, quarter, 5, 6, rock up, 7, back 8. Pony, 1 and 2, left, 3 and 4. Rock back, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. That's going to be a half turn. Shuffle. 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, left, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. Okay? So, let's take it from this wall here. 5. I'm trying to give you different views at different walls so you can see different parts of the dance without looking back at the camera or the TV, whatever you're looking at. Okay, tap, lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, up, 3 and 4. Left 5, pivot 6, back 7, recover 8. Out 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6. That's a quarter. 7, back 8. Pony 1 and 2. Left 3 and 4. Rock back, recover. Half turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's beauty in the madness. Okay, instructors, this is the perfect dance for your beginners, the ones that's been coming to your class for a minute. Challenge them to learn this dance because it's going to push them a little bit out of their comfort zone because you're not doing everything on the right, then doing the same thing on the left, okay? All right, so different steps come after the first step. There's a different step. The second step is a different step. Okay, and then you might have to do it on the right and the left, but then you change it up a little bit. So this is challenging for your beginners. So it's a 32 count dance. Well, let me see. Let's check out the count. Let's see how many counts it is. Okay. So tap lift. 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, back 7, 8. So that's our first 8 count. Out across. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, up 7, 8. That's our second 8 count. Pony back. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Rock back to the half turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's another 8 count. Remember, there's no triple step there. It's right, left, and the shuffle to the side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we got 4 8 counts. It's a 32 count. Okay. So make sure you call out the steps first, instructors, and then give them the count. And then after I give them the steps and we practice that and we do the count, I just close my mouth and just give them a chance to think about the steps, okay? So leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to this channel. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Let's dance together. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.